Hello everyone, today we will study about the topic national income and domestic income. So first of all, what is national income? It is the sum total of factor income. Factor income are those which is generated within the factor of production. There are four type of factor of production, that is land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship, and the income generated within that factor of production is known as factor income. From land we get rent, from labor we get compensation of employees, from capital we get interest, and from entrepreneurship we get profit. The income which is generated within that factor of production is known as your national income. And no matter where it is generated, our country or outside the country, our country and outside the country, the matter is it is generated normal resident of the country. Normal resident are those people who live in that area 1 and slightly more than 1 year. And also one of the most important thing is economic interest. Economic interest means where they do their economic activities. For example, production, consumption, saving and investment. The national income, there is another name of national income, that is net national product at factor cost. Next one is your domestic income. Domestic income is the sum total of factor income earned within the domestic territory. One of the most important thing matter in domestic income, that is domestic territory. Domestic territory means economic territory in which the government can easily transfer their capital, labor circulate freely of a country, no matter who is generated. Who is generating means normal resident or non-resident. Just generated in there is domestic territory. The another name of domestic income is net domestic product at factor cost. Thank you.